think there's a talent show happening here today.
Yeah.
Night at across at Ruby's. Remember we were there in the summer when they had a. Is there a talent show going on today?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock? Oh, yeah. There's really a talent show happening. And that's in less than an hour. Yeah. There's a talent show today. They have a British accent.
I guess those guys were
Performing.
they're practicing.
Yeah. The talent show. Probably there's like big money. Yeah. Sicky, I dig out her nose. Sicky? She look too manly to me. So. I wonder if I could charge this watch. With what though? Yeah, let's go over there and check it out.
Nothing over there.
There's a gate for this. Oh, the gate's right there. I don't know, maybe it's open? So Emancipation Park, guys. Like, there's gonna be a big talent show, a British talent show today. Let's see if it's open. And it's locked.
I think this picnic is special. You see that radio?
What the hell?
Yeah,
like out of the way, yeah,
exactly,
not like Devon House. They're right in front of everybody.
Exactly.
Yeah, there's not even a picnic. Yeah, not even no picnic. Yeah, 6 o'clock. I want to watch a talent show. It'll be good content for me too. Talent show at Emancipation Park. Are they gonna open back the gym or it's closed for the day? Okay. Talent show. So you see there's gonna be a talent show at 6 o'clock today. It's being held by some British company. So I'm gonna show you guys a talent show. And this is Emancipation Park. Yeah. Yeah. So we're just walking here. Emancipation Park, guys. You see I'm a small YouTuber trying to increase my subscriptions to help me out. Guys, you see I'm putting in the work. I'm trying. I'm doing the walking. Showcasing the things that I'm in Jamaica. The simple things, you know. Things that don't require a lot of spending. It's a nice apartment over here. Yeah. So I'm here with Don Tiff, the chef. Say hello to the guys.
Hi.
Now tell them the name of your channel on YouTube.
It's called Dante. I do cooking videos.
Alright. You guys could check her out. Is it just Don Tiff?
Yes.
So that's DONTIFF.
Two separate words.
Two separate words. So DON space TIFF. Yeah. This is nice for the kids, them, you know. Yeah, so walking around. So if you don't, you know, you want to exercise, there's Pegasus Hotel over there. So yeah, say you're staying at Pegasus Hotel and you want to get a nice run and you don't want to go into the gym, you can come across the street or wherever you are, you know, in Kingston. You want to run somewhere or walk or bring your kids somewhere that's free. It's cost effective. You don't really have to spend a lot of money. you can bring them to Emancipation Park. There's a lady over here. She's watching a show on her phone. She's watching a show. Yeah. But sometimes when you line that, it makes you look like you're thicker than you actually are, because your weight kind of spreads out. You know what I mean? Yeah. So here it is, guys. There's a famous statue right there. Very famous statue. I don't know the name of this statue. If anybody know the name, you can let me know in the comments. The name of the statue. But I know it's very famous. Yeah. So going around. Very beautiful, and it's well maintained. Lots of security, lots of cameras. So if you want to take your family somewhere that's cost effective, you don't really want to spend a lot of money, you can check out Emancipation Park, you know, and the kids can run around, you know, run around, have a good time, tire them out. So at the end of the day, they'll get to go to bed with no issues because they're tired. Yeah. There's the security. Security, say hi. So hey, these are one of the wonderful security guys going to be protecting you guys when you come. You don't really have any trouble here. It's pretty safe for the most part, right? Yeah. So, yeah, you know, easy going. What are the best days to come here that you think, like, where there's more families, more activities? In the evenings, around what time are you thinking?
Weekends around 5. The park is closed.
Around there. And what time does it normally close on the weekdays?
From Saturdays to Sundays, close at midnight.
Oh, midnight, okay. And Saturday, Sunday?
Monday to Friday, we close at 11.
All right, my friend. It was nice to meet you. Follow me on YouTube. You're going to see yourself. It's Flight Mike 876. You want to give your number if a lady see you? Yeah, sure. So Mike Flight 876.
Flight Mike or Mike Flight?
No, Flight Mike 876. FLIGHT.
Space?
No space. MIKE and then 876. I live in Canada, but I was born here. So ladies, give me a number. Put a number in there. So if you see this gentleman, you like him, you know, you want to give him a bus to America, Canada, give me your number. Put it in the video. Go ahead.
It's 312003 now.
Area code.
And the name is OJ.
So area code.
Security will take care of you when you come.
Yeah, so ladies, more so ladies than gentlemen. But maybe there might be guys out there that need a guy they can trust to take them around. You can give OJ a call. You know, he looks respectable, hardworking, ambitious. So I know he's gonna take care of you when you come here. And you know the island too, right? Yeah, you drive as well?
No, not yet.
Yeah, don't worry. You can drive him, he'll show you the direction. Where you wanna go. You found the channel? Yeah, let me see, I'll show you. When you get the girls, then don't forget your friend, eh? Don't forget your friend Flight Mike. That gave you the bus so you can go to America and make some real money. You laugh. This is how it happens, bro. Somebody see you online and say, "No, I like this guy." Know the people that happened to? I have one guy. Same thing happened to him. Some lady see him, I like him, but call him. You found it? Let me see your YouTube.
No, I'm trying to connect to the.
Oh, the Wi-Fi. Yeah, we're gonna add him up, guys. So when you comment, you'll be able to see the comments and respond himself. Yeah. And here's Dan Tiff right here. Yeah, ladies, he's ready. He's single and ready to mingle. Take you all over the island, all 14 parish. He'll take you there. And he's the man of the law, so you know you're in good hands. He's security. He will secure you. Right, Tiffany? Would you go somewhere with Omar? Does it right? Yeah, so look. Tiffany's giving him the seal of approval, so you know Omar is good to go. And you know you're messing with a guy that is ambitious, hardworking. Turn on your data, Omar. Turn on your data on your phone. Yeah. Alright. Alright, guys, so we're back at it again. It's gonna be a talent show at 6 o'clock. My dad can't even walk straight. There's some white people right here. Right there. Whoa, look at the bird. Marcus Moses Garvey. Yeah. It's a great man right here. This is a very great man. Martin Luther King, Malcolm X. This is who they looked up to. Marcus Moses Garvey. Yeah. No, switch from Paul Walker to this guy.
He's my favorite.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's my favorite.
So
He's my favorite.
Marcus, yeah.
And even though he's from
So
is Marcus, but you know
Bogle, yeah. But I feel like Malcolm X, what's the other guy's name? Martin Luther.
Yeah.
This is who they all looked up to. He inspired them to become. Martin Luther King came to visit Jamaica because of this guy, him and his wife. Yeah. He's a great man.
When we talk about, I have a lot of respect for the fact that he was a freedom fighter.
Yeah.
But Martin Luther King wasn't all that. They say he wasn't for black people, you know, bro.
Kind of like Obama.
That pussy, excuse my language.
Yeah. No, but you know, Obama wouldn't become president if he didn't have strings pulling him.
Between strings pulling him and we were happy to know that a black man was going in the city.
Yeah, but they knew
You know,
that
so
they knew that would have made us happy, even though his agenda
even
was
if
different.
He was fucked up.
Yeah.
We felt a sense of pride knowing that a black man was going to be sitting in that.
But it was all smoke and mirrors, though.
Man,
Yeah. Remember what happened in Michigan? Yeah. He's smart. So Michigan had a bad water problem. And the people were fighting the government to say, oh, drinking water is making people sick, mainly black people. And before he comes there and say, like, yes, this is true, this is happening.
Paul, I respect Paul because, you know, even though with mental slavery with the politicians,
Yeah.
him, like, he represented his people, you know?
Paul Bogle.
Exactly. Him and the white man, George William Garvey, they work together. See here?
Paul Bogle was born into slavery in the parish of St. Thomas and gained freedom with the emancipation of slavery in 1838. He acquired substantial property and was a deacon in the Native Baptist Church, which was formed by George William Gordon in Stony Gut, St. Thomas. Bogle fought for land rights, fair wages, and better living conditions for the poor, as there were no social welfare program to benefit former slave post-emancipation. In 1865, Governor John refused. How's it pronounced?
John here.
Eyre refused to see Bogle, who led a 45-mile march to Spanish Town from Stony Gut, St. Thomas in the east to petition for improved condition for the people of the parish. The refusal forced Bogle to lead a protest march over 300 men to the Morant Bay Courthouse on October 11, 1865. This erupted in a violent confrontation with authorities in what became known as the Morant Bay Rebellion. Bogle was captured, tried, and convicted under martial law and hanged on October 25th, 1865. His rebellion resulted in the adoption of just practices in the courts and made possible improvement in the social and economic condition of the people. Bogle was referred with the Order of National Hero in 1969 for his role in defender of the people in the struggle for social justice, better land, and economic practice. I don't even understand how are black people fighting for black lands from white people. That's crazy.
That man helped him, George.
I doubt that.
First he helped.
I doubt that. There's no. We're in the middle of the square, guys. Today's what, 27? Monday the 27th. I have to get a 7-day plan on the first. They come to perform now. It's gonna be a talent show today. They said 6 o'clock, but my battery on my watch died. Died. Look at it. Watch the one over there in the long hair. You ready? This is a talent show I was telling you guys about. This group is from Sweden. Emancipation Park. There's a talent show taking place.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this guy is one of the most famous in Jamaica, most famous, talented DJ reggae artist we have here. A warm applause for Lone Ranger.
Never heard of Lone Ranger before.
Beyond the mountain, beyond the valley, beyond the leading of my baby.
Yes. Come bring your family. A lot of things you guys can do as artists, or you can pay them and they'll sketch your picture. There's a track, you can run, work out, walk. You can have a picnic on the grass. You know, a lot of things you can do here.
Mama, mama, mama,
Anointed, just hold it. You gotta just put the holder up and point it towards it.